Okay, guys, we have a deal here for some Old Spice dry spray. And I've done this video about 15 times because it just keeps changing right in front of my face. Sorry about the squeaking there. Big rat out here today. So we're going to talk about this deal over at Walgreens to get these dry sprays for 99 cents. There's two ways to get it for either $1.99 or 99 cents. And we're going to go through this step by step. So as you can see, guys, there is this spray which is called Old Spice Sweat Defense Invisible Spray Antiperspirant Pure Sport Plus. They should add like 15 more words to that, I think. So it's $7.99. This is the curbside price. In store, it will be a little bit more. On a buy one, get one 50% off. So we have two different coupons. We have a $5.99 off of two and then an 8 off of 4. So we're going to look at this, buying it two different ways. And then we're going to talk about some other stuff at the end in case you guys were wondering about that buy 3, get $5 of Walgreens cash, and I'll explain why you won't get it for this deal. So with this coupon, the $5.99 off of 2, this has been around for a little bit, and I still haven't used mine because I haven't been able to figure out a deal that was worthy to use this. So I still have it in my account. I'm not sure about you guys, but I certainly do. So you're going to have this guy loaded. I don't think you can load it, though, anymore because it is an older coupon. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is a $2 back when you buy a dry spray. And you can do it up to 5 times. So if you're picking up 2, you should be in a good place. And let's check our IBOTTA accounts to make sure it's still there. So grabbing 2 of them on a BOGO 50% off, that's $11.98. Subtracting that $5.99 coupon, there's obviously tax there, so it's a little bit more. We're doing this as a curbside pickup to get that sweet price. So it shakes it out to 99 cents each after everything's said and done. We're not factoring in the tax. Now, if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay this down so you're not really feeling it out of pocket, go for it. And when you do your curbside pickup, basically they'll hand you a bag and there will be a receipt inside of it that you photograph to Ibotta to get your 2 little, rebates back. Now, looking at it with this, which is an 8 off of 4. Now, I went to the store yesterday and I didn't see this, and then it showed up later in the day. So this is valid, I think, from the 21st to the 28th. Somebody messed up with the math. They're saying it's only valid on the 28th. If you look at the expiry dates at the very top. So for this basket, we're going to grab 4 of these dry sprays. And yes, it is attaching with this product. Okay, so if you go over to your Ibotta account, again, you can do this up to 5 times. So if you're grabbing 4 of them, you're going to get $8 back, which is really fantastic. So make sure that this is there when you're picking it up if you want to do this deal. If you're going to do this in store, it might be a little bit extra for these dry sprays because sometimes they're a little bit more in store. So grabbing 4 of them in your basket, remember it's on a buy one, get one 50% off. That's $23.96. We're doing that curbside pickup. Taxes a little bit. The 8 off of 4 is coming off, so $17.40. We're going to get our $8 back from Ibotta, shaking it out to $1.99 for each of them. And let's not forget, if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance so you're really not feeling this monster out of pocket, absolutely go for it. Okay, so to answer one quick question, and if you look at the bottom, it says estimated Walgreens cash 23 cents. Now, a lot of you will probably be saying, you should get back $5 of Walgreens cash because you bought 3 of those products. And yes, it's tagged that way, and yes, it's in the flyer. However, it is the Old Spice deodorant and body wash that's tagged 2 for $11 that's part of the promotion, not these dry sprays, which really suck, guys. I don't like this either. I wish they would just hand it to us because it would be a lot less if you grabbed 4. But it's just not the way. Maybe there's 1 cent that some of you guys will find that will work with this, but I can't seem to find it online. And my store, unfortunately, very limited with this specific dry spray. Good luck with this one, guys, because it's a really fantastic deal. Even for 99 cents for a product that's $7.99, that's a lot of savings if somebody loves Old Spice. Another thing I want to talk about is the Dulcim on clearance, if you could find it. Unfortunately, yesterday when I was bebopping and shopping, I could not find any more of this. So I think people were seeing the great value of this. They had like 2 open cases of this, and most of them, it was all gone. I couldn't do this deal. But as you can see, this 5 off of 2 digital coupon showed up for me. And So if you can find 3 of these clearance Mucinex, and always clearances year mileage may vary, you'll either get it or you won't. But at that price point of $1.79, 3 of them would be $5.37. Subtracting that 5 off a 2 digital coupon, you're paying 37 cents for the 3. The ones that I was picking up, guys, the expiry date was like until 2023. So I have a good long time to use that cough syrup. So, it's a really great little deal. So if you could find some clearance Dulcim, a good deal to pursue. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.